This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Kotzen. Beautiful waterfront home in Admiral Point. Admiral Point has boat ramp access to both Stark Lake and the private access Lake Olympia with a clean sandy bottom, good fishing, and a regulation water ski course. A stunning water view off your back screened patio with its Pebble Tech pool and hot tub. New pool heater, no rear neighbors, and 60 feet of water's edge. Pergola in the backyard that has an avocado and lemon tree. Very private and serene. Master bedroom has a large sitting area with beautiful views over Lake Olympia. His and hers walk-in closets lead to the master bath with a soaking tub, split vanities and a separate shower. Large loft area on the second floor and 3 other bedrooms. Guest bedroom/office on the first floor with a completely remodeled full bathroom. The kitchen is completely remodeled with quartz counters, new 42-inch cabinets, a farmer's sink, wonderful butler's pantry for plenty of storage, under cabinet lighting, large pantry, and stainless steel appliances. Laundry room just off the kitchen. Freshly painted inside and out, and new vinyl flooring and carpet on the first floor. New roof 2021. Water filtration system and new garage door opener. Nestled at the intersection of the Florida Turnpike, the 408, and the 429 with great road access to anywhere in Orlando. Minutes from charming winter garden. This home with all its beautiful features and updating will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Kotzen at 407-876-2090.